Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of matrices and determinants. And if I talk about the question that is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us let the system of equations, the equations given to us are x plus 2y plus 3z equals 5, 2x plus 3y plus z equals 9, and 4x plus 3y plus lambda z is equals to mu. So these three equations are given to us, and the question tells us that they have infinite number of solutions. So if they have this equations have infinite number of solutions, the question is asking us to figure out the value of lambda plus 2 mu. And if I talk about the answer choices that we have here, the options are 22, 17, 15, 28. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for the question that is given to us here. So let's try to solve this question further and find the correct answer for this. So first of all, we have been given that these equations have infinite number of solutions. So if they have infinite number of solutions, we know the condition that for infinite solutions, the determinant of all the coefficients of x, y, and z is equals to the determinant of 1, 2, 3, and it's also equal to 0. Let's understand what is 1, 2, and 3 here. So determinant, first of all, if I figure out, we know it is nothing but determinant of coefficient of the variables that we have. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, and 4, 3 lambda. So you get 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3 lambda. If I find delta 1, that basically means you are removing the coefficients of x. You're writing coefficients of y and z as it is, but instead of the coefficients of x, you're writing the constant numbers that are present. So 5, 9, and mu. If I want to find determinant of second, I will use those constants in the place of coefficients of y. So you will write your x and your z's as it is. And delta 3, if I want to figure out, I can just use x and y as it is. And instead of z coefficients, I can write the constant. So we have this, and now we know that all of them are equals to 0. So basically determinant of all of them is equals to 0. So if I see here, I have only one unknown for this determinant, so I can easily find lambda using this idea. And here I have lambda and mu, here also I have lambda and mu, here I have just mu. So I will equate this idea also with 0 and find the value of mu. So once I get lambda and mu, then we can find the answer for this expression that they are looking for. Let's try to solve this first. So I have 1, 2, 3. I have 2, 3, 1. I have 4, 3 lambda. Determinant of that is equal to 0. So if I try to solve this, before trying to solve this idea, I would first like to tell you that please do subscribe to my channel and support the channel as well, because it takes lots of efforts in making these videos for you on everyday basis. And it is free for you, but also motivates me to put up better content and try to make the solutions as easy as possible, so you understand them in the better way possible then. Let's try to expand this determinant now. So if I do that, I get 1, 3 times lambda minus 3 times 1, which is 3, minus 2. If I expand this, I get 2 times lambda minus 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 3. I get 2 times 3, which is 6, minus 4 times 3, which is 12, is equals to 0. So if I further try to solve it, I get 3 lambda minus 3 minus 4 lambda plus 8, and 3 into minus 6, which is basically minus 18, is equal to 0. So from here I get 3 lambda minus 4 lambda, which is minus lambda, minus 3 plus 8, which is 5, and minus 18, which is minus 13. So from here I get lambda is minus 3. Now once I have lambda with me, I can just figure out the value for mu. So to do that, I know the third determinant I'll again equate with 0, because it only has one unknown, that is mu. So if I do that for the third determinant, I get this numbers given to us here is 125,239, 125,239, 3 mu. So I get from here 1, 3 mu minus 9 into 3, which is 27. Minus 2, you get 2 mu minus 4 into 9, which is 36. Plus 5, you get 2 into 3, 6, minus 4 into 3, 12. So you get 3 mu minus 27 minus 4 mu. Minus into minus, so 2 into 36 becomes 72. And 5 into minus 6, which is minus. So I get from here 3 mu minus 4 mu, which is minus mu. 72 minus 30, which is 42, and 42 minus 27, which is 15. And they have given us delta 3 is 0. So from here I get mu is 15. Now once I have mu with me, once I have lambda with me, the question asks us to figure out the value of expression. That's basically lambda plus 2 mu. That gives me lambda plus 2 mu is equals to lambda. In this question we have got that as minus 13 and mu is 15. So we get minus 13 plus 2 times 15, which is minus 13 plus 30, which is 70. So I get the answer for the question, and that matches with option B. So B becomes the correct answer for the question that is given to us here. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. So we were given infinite solutions, and we know infinite solutions has the condition which says delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 all are equal and all are equal to 0. So if I just figured out expanding delta and delta 3, I got my values of lambda and mu. Once I got that, I just put it in the expression, and that gets me the value of that lambda plus 2 mu has 17, which matches with option B. So B becomes the correct answer. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic, and we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing on everyday basis, please do like the videos as well, and do subscribe to my channel and share this channel with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.